There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat in Destroyer Gray. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, performance hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo front brakes, lane departure warning plus, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 15,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SRT performance pages, heated rear seating, power sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, third row seating, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8172A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.